So we were asking during the commercial break, we saw at 5 a.m. it downgrade to a 4. Any chance of it going back up? And I only ask this because the storm has been so steady and strong.
Yeah, it has been really strong. It's not out of the realm of possibility because the waters are so warm,
right?
But it is forecast to stay a Category 4 as it approaches South Florida. Okay. So we're going to be watching it very closely. And, you know, it's still a major hurricane, although it is no longer a Category 5. And this is as of the 5 o'clock advisory. So I do want to bring you these updates as much as I can. It's 495 miles just southeast of Miami, Florida. Still a Category 4. It's near the Turks and Caicos. And notice it's going to continue on a northwesterly track before curving off to the north. Early Sunday morning, it is expected to be near South Florida. It will continue across the peninsula, but notice weakening because whenever hurricanes are over land, they don't like land. They like to stay over water. So the land will weaken the storm. So then by, say, Tuesday morning, over Atlanta as a tropical storm, and then becoming post-tropical as it approaches Tennessee and also Kentucky into early Wednesday morning. We're not in this cone, and remember that storm can shift anywhere within this cone. Although we're not within the cone, we could still see some effects from it. And those effects, mainly some rain, gusty winds. Also, we'll have to watch our water levels as well. Hurricane Irma, I do want to show you a different path here, or a different sort of model consensus, because the model's doing a pretty good job of saying, okay, this is what we think is going to happen. It will travel across the peninsula of Florida, but then once it gets really over to, say, Georgia, also Tennessee, it sort of spreads out where it thinks the storm will go by that point. And that's why the cone is so large once it gets over land. But I want to talk about some threats here. The main threats, it looks like, for our area will be the tides, and that's mainly into Tuesday. So early Tuesday, lasting into Tuesday evening. Again, some rain and also some windy conditions with those gusts up anywhere over 30 miles per hour. And then the tornado risk remains pretty low, but that's mainly again into Tuesday. So